Want to give your room a quick makeover without hiring a professional or spending hours struggling with glue and tools? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to install carpet using double-sided tape, a simple, clean, and super effective DIY method that anyone can do. This technique is perfect for apartments, rented spaces, or small home projects where you want a soft, elegant carpet look without permanent installation. With just a few basic tools and strong carpet tape, you can completely transform your floor in less than an hour. So if you're ready to make your space more comfortable and stylish, let's dive right in and learn how to get a smooth, professional-looking carpet finish using double-sided tape. 1. Gather your tools and materials. Before you start, it's important to have everything ready so your installation goes smoothly. You'll need your carpet of choice. Heavy-duty double-sided carpet tape. A utility knife or carpet cutter for precise cuts. Measuring tape to get accurate dimensions. Scissors. A roller or flat object to firmly press the carpet. Having the right tools makes all the difference. It ensures your carpet lays flat, sticks well, and looks professional. Skipping this step can lead to wrinkles, peeling, or uneven surfaces, so take a few minutes to prepare and you'll save time later. 2. Prepare the floor surface. Next, you need a clean, smooth surface for the carpet to stick properly. Start by sweeping or vacuuming the floor to remove all dust, dirt, and debris. Any particles left behind can prevent the tape from sticking firmly. Check your floor for cracks, bumps, or uneven areas, especially if you're installing over tiles, wood, or laminate. Fill in or smooth out problem spots before you proceed. A well-prepared floor not only makes the carpet installation easier, but it also ensures your carpet stays flat, smooth, and long-lasting. Remember, a little preparation up front saves a lot of headaches later. 3. Measure and cut the carpet. Once your floor is clean and ready, it's time to measure your carpet accurately. Start by rolling out your carpet and using a measuring tape to match it to the size of your room. Always leave an extra 2 to 3 inches around the edges. This will make trimming easier later and ensures a perfect fit. Next, use a utility knife or sharp scissors to cut the carpet according to your measurements. Make sure your cuts are straight and clean. Uneven edges can make your carpet look sloppy and cause gaps along walls or corners. Pro tip: work slowly and double-check your measurements before cutting. It's better to cut slightly larger and trim later than to cut too small and end up with gaps. Accurate measurement and cutting make the entire installation process much easier and stress-free. 4. Apply the double-sided tape. Now comes the part that holds your carpet firmly in place: the double-sided tape. Start by applying the tape along the edges of the room where the carpet will meet the walls. Then, for extra security, create a grid pattern with tape in the middle of the floor. This prevents the carpet from moving or wrinkling. When applying the tape, peel off only a small section of the protective layer at a time. This prevents the sticky side from touching the floor or rolling up on itself before you're ready to lay the carpet. Make sure the tape is flat and evenly spaced. Uneven or loose tape can lead to bubbles or gaps in the carpet. For best results, press the tape down firmly with your hand or a roller. A properly taped floor ensures your carpet will stay perfectly in place, giving your room a clean, polished look without any glue, nails, or permanent fixtures. 5. Place and press the carpet. With the tape in place, it's time to lay your carpet. Start at one end of the room and slowly unroll or position the carpet over the tape. Take your time to make sure it aligns perfectly with the walls and corners. As you go, press the carpet firmly onto the tape. You can use a roller, a flat board, or even just walk gently over the surface to make sure every inch sticks down properly. The pressure activates the tape's adhesive and ensures a smooth, wrinkle-free finish. Be mindful of any air bubbles or folds. Smooth them out immediately by pressing or gently lifting and repositioning the carpet. This step is crucial because once the carpet is fully down, it becomes much harder to fix imperfections. By taking the time to press carefully, your carpet will look professionally installed, feel secure underfoot, and maintain its shape for years. 6. Trim the excess edges. After your carpet is securely in place, It's time for the finishing touches, trimming the excess fabric. Use your utility knife to carefully cut along the edges where the carpet meets the wall or baseboards. Take your time to make clean, straight cuts. Uneven edges can ruin the polished look of your installation. For corners, cut slowly and precisely so the carpet fits snugly without gaps or overlaps. Once trimmed, press the edges firmly against the walls or baseboards to secure them. This step not only improves the appearance, but also ensures the carpet stays in place without curling or lifting. A perfectly trimmed edge gives your carpet a custom, professional finish, making your room look neat, elegant, and completely transformed. 7. Check for loose areas and final touches. Once your carpet is fully laid and trimmed, it's time to inspect your work. Walk carefully across the carpet, especially along the edges and corners, to check for any areas that feel loose or uneven. If you notice a spot that isn't sticking properly, simply lift that section slightly and add more double-sided tape underneath. Press it firmly back down to ensure it adheres completely. Also, pay attention to any small wrinkles or air bubbles. Use your hands or a roller to smooth them out, working from the center toward the edges. This final check ensures your carpet looks flawless and stays in place for years. A quick inspection and adjustment at this stage can save you from future peeling, slipping, or uneven surfaces, giving your DIY project a truly professional finish. 8. Maintenance tips and benefits. Now that your carpet is installed, let's talk about how to keep it looking great. One of the best things about using double-sided tape is that it's mess-free and renter-friendly. You can remove or reposition the carpet easily without damaging your floor. For regular maintenance, simply vacuum regularly to remove dust and debris. If you ever need to move the carpet, gently lift it from the tape. You won't leave sticky residue behind. This method works for rugs, stair runners, or even temporary office carpets, making it versatile and convenient. Plus, it's quick, clean, and cost-effective, perfect for anyone who wants a stylish flooring upgrade without permanent installation. Installing carpet with double-sided tape combines simplicity, functionality, and style, making it one of the smartest DIY flooring solutions in 2025. 9. Quick tips for a smooth finish. Even after your carpet is laid and edges trimmed, there are a few extra tips that can help ensure a perfect, long-lasting finish. Use a roller regularly. Press down the entire carpet, especially along seams and corners, to make sure it's fully bonded to the tape. Watch for bumps or wrinkles. If any appear over time, gently lift and press the area again. Trim carefully. Overlapping edges or uneven cuts can make the carpet look sloppy. Always take your time with the utility knife. Check for moisture. If you're installing over tile or wood, make sure the floor is dry. Tape doesn't stick well to wet surfaces. Following these simple tips will keep your carpet looking clean, smooth, and professionally installed, even if it's been in place for months. 10. Benefits of using double-sided tape for carpet. Using double-sided tape for carpet installation has so many advantages compared to traditional methods like glue or nails. Easy and fast. You can install your carpet in under an hour without special tools. Mess-free, no glue, no spills, no permanent adhesive, perfect for renters. Removable. If you want to change your carpet or flooring later, you can simply lift it without damaging the floor. Secure and stable. Properly applied tape keeps your carpet flat and prevents slipping or bunching. Cost-effective. Save money on professional installation or expensive adhesives. This method is ideal for apartments, rental homes, office spaces, or temporary setups, offering a safe, quick, and reliable solution that still looks professional. And that's it. You've just learned how to install carpet using double-sided tape, a fast, clean, and renter-friendly method that gives your room a professional, polished look without any glue, nails, or mess. From preparing the floor and measuring the carpet, to applying tape, pressing, trimming, and checking for loose spots, this step-by-step guide covers everything you need to know for a perfect carpet installation. Remember, this method is not only easy and affordable, but also versatile. You can use it for living rooms, bedrooms, offices, stair runners, or even temporary setups, and it's simple to remove or reposition if you ever want to change. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY home improvement tips, quick fixes, and interior design ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating! Your floors just got a whole lot cozier and more stylish.